Hello everybody, we are back in the lake bed for the first round of the National Hard Enduro Series, King of the Motos. We're blessed with beautiful weather this week, and man, the rocks are rocky and the sand is sandy. This terrain is challenging as ever. Let's go take a little course preview. Okay, we're gonna go check out lap 3 of Sunday main race. This is when things start getting short and more technical and more difficult, so it shouldn't be too long. Quick look at the bike and the sponsors. First off, shout out to Onyx Off-Road. Onyx helps so much being able to navigate this terrain, especially being able to tilt the axis and see the 3D layout of this terrain and this land. It's really hard navigating this stuff, and being able to see the terrain at that level makes such the world of difference. It's really elevated our ability to put these courses together and to read tracks. So thank you, Onyx Off-Road, for making it so easy to share files and see the earth from above. Beyond that, we got Slavens Racing, Beta USA. Slavens hooked me up with this Plu's monster tire, and this thing is a monster. So far, it feels pretty good. Nothing too crazy. It's a sticky compound tire, so it's working. Bridgestone X31 9100 up front. That thing's pretty good too. The Beta 300, I'm loving it. Works great. Let's go riding. Up Chocolate Thunder. Let's see what it looks like. Here we go. Watch for monster trucks. We go this way. Super loose. Here we go. Come on, baby. You can go that way, or you can go around this rock. how loose this terrain is. You get such a vague feeling to the bike because the bike's just moving around so much. Underneath you is just loose, rocky. Hard enduro. Be mindful this downhill. Guess what? Rocky, sandy, and loose. If you can believe it. Didn't do that very good. Oh yes, this is good. I'm loving it. Here we go. Apparently, Daryl, one of the helpers of the series, found an arrowhead out here back in 2019 somewhere. Not here, but out here. It gives me hope. Makes you wonder what this landscape was like when the natives were out here. Was there water? Trees? What was it like? Animals? Oh yeah, just keep it rolling. Nice and easy. Trying to be patient here. Loose and chunky. That's the name of the game here at King of the Motos and Johnson Valley. There it is. Yes, sir. We rolling. Oh yeah, they're gonna be a couple hours in, I imagine, or hour 30 or so in at this point, so this is gonna be tiring. We go this way. Yep. It's amazing the difference between the trails that are used and the trails that are new or close to new. Good to remember to scan ahead. Look at your GPS, but then scan far ahead, because boom, a red arrow. You see that? That's confirmation. The hard part is when we go across stuff like this where there's no trail, there's no confirmation arrows unless I'm not seeing them, and it's just rocky stuff. The hard part is you don't know where to go, but you also need to be looking where you're going, you know, right in front of you, so it makes it challenging. See if I got the right idea here. Feels really random what I'm doing, but looks like I'm on course-ish. Okay, I think I know where to go. We're headed towards that canyon straight ahead. Let's just bulldog it. It'll be cool to see. This will be a good passing section, because as guys sort through this kind of virgin, just cross-country terrain, they can choose different lines and see where the other guy's going and make passes. It'll be good. Alright. Okay, I think we're to the start of this new little canyon. Man, any advice for this place, I'd say keep it moving forward. If you can stay rolling at all, that helps so much. Even if you're not rolling in the direction you want to go, trying to keep it straight almost makes it worse. Here we go. Ooh. Left line, right line. Let's go right. It looks more burned in. Oh yeah. Definitely riding better than I was yesterday. Been ridden since I was here yesterday. I imagine the boys will explode up this thing pretty easily. Here we go. Type of canyon where a guy like Cody Webb can do some crazy shit at the end of the race. Got to see Cody last night. We did a photo shoot with all the top guys, and the day before the race, so I think everybody's a little mindful or careful Cody still just busting out the gnarliest lines on the Yamaha 4-stroke, so gnarly. This guy's a magician. Alright, I think you're gonna get a little less spicy right here. This is our downhill into Sledgehammer. There's a steep, loose, rocky one, if you can believe that. All right, let's go for it here. Here we go. Oh yeah. Here we go. Chunky, chunky, chunky. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Hold on to her. Oh yes, 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 yes. I think last time I bulldogged it right here. This. Yeah, good motorcycle. Yes. Going slow is fun, but going fast is fun too. It really makes you bring things into focus. Try to clean this whole thing. Here we go. 2 down, 3 dops. Good, man. A little navigatory. Patience on this slippery rocks. Then they're gonna go from here into the final uphill. All right, there is your lap 3 course preview. I like it. It's not too hard, but it's not too easy either, and the more you're able to keep your momentum, the easier it is. Listen, keep it on 2 wheels, keep your momentum, stay hydrated, and have fun. MG over and out.